Hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And today, continuing with the unboxings that I did of all Firgure-rise standard Kamen Riders, we now have Masked Rider Kuuga. And this is not just any Masked Rider Kuuga, this is a Bandai exclusive, which is the Masked Rider Kuuga in his amazing mighty form with some Rising Mighty part set. Okay, so here we can see in the box we have Kuuga in his amazing mighty form and his Rising Mighty form. And let's take a look at the box. So here, as you can see, this is what we can build. Masked Rider Kuuga in his amazing mighty form. And here we have his rising form, but it only gives us the option parts to upgrade the Kuuga mighty form into the rising mighty form. So you need to have at least the Kuuga mighty form figure standard in order to build the rising mighty here. And yep, some more information on this one, as you can see. Okay, so let's open up the box and look at what its contents. Okay, so right off the bat we have the instruction manual for Amazing Mighty, but it also contains the instructions on how to upgrade your Kuuga Mighty into its Rising Mighty form. We have one plate here, gold plated plate actually, for Kuuga. Yes, so as you know, Kuuga Amazing Mighty is also known as the Black Golden Kuuga. We have here another bag with all black parts, one more bag for the golden parts, and I think this is the parts, the upgrade parts for the mighty form and converting it into the Rising Mighty. We still have one more box here. I think the 8 plate, so some red translucent parts. This is for the effect parts and some parts of the eyes and the belt. One part here, red plate, all black. Some yellow clear parts, silver parts here, stickers. And another plate for the black parts, and yes, the standard stand for the Firgure-rise standard. Okay, so let's open the bags one by one. Okay, so first up we have the A plate here, which again consists of 4 colors, some clear yellow plastic, red clear plastic, mostly black, and some silver parts. So what we can see here is we have parts for the waist, parts for the torso. These are effect parts for his amazing kick. These are parts for his eyes, of course. This is for the buckles, the arcal, I mean, for this one, for the belt. Yep, the silver parts here are mostly for the belt here. So this is the A plate. Next up, we have a B1 plate. And it comes along with a B2 plate, which, as you can see, have some common parts. Yep, minus this part here and this part here. So most probably, I'm thinking the B2 is the one that we'll use for the upgrade from Mighty Form to Rising Mighty. And we have the gold plated C2 plate. This is, I think, for most of it is for the Amazing Mighty. And of course it comes with a C3 plate, which boasts some similar parts but only less so, meaning this is the part that will be used for the Rising Mighty upgrade. We also have a D1 plate, mostly black. So this is, I think, the chest part, shoulder pads, the arms, the back, and it comes with a D2 plate, which is, I think, yes, for the Rising Mighty form. Let's not forget the standard stand for Firgure-rise standard. Yep. And lastly, we have, of course, the stickers. The stickers is, of course, a mix for the Amazing Mighty and the Rising Mighty form. So there you have it, folks. We have unboxed what is inside the Firgure-rise Standard Master Rider Kuuga Amazing Mighty and Rising Mighty parts set. So this is all that you are going to get inside that box. And so if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, leave a comment, and view other videos. And until next time, see you.